walk up to a store and there's that no gun sign staring at you in the face. All right? What now? Do you head back to your car? Or do you stroll on in? All right. So today we're diving into the legal maze of gun-free zones. All right. It's crucial, folks. Understand these laws isn't just about following rules. It's about knowing your rights and staying legal. All right. Let's get into it.
Everybody ready?
Yeah. All right. So let's start with the heavy hitters. All right. Federal gun-free zones. All right. We're talking about schools, post offices, courthouses. Guys, these places are a hard no for firearms. All right. Doesn't matter who you are or what permit you got. Your guns need to stay home for this, all right? Private property like your local mall or favorite store, they operate a little differently. In most states, they can only ask you to leave, all right? All right, so they can't slap cuffs on you, but always best to respect the sign and the law. All right, so let's imagine you're carrying in a store and they find you out. They find out you're carrying, all right? What's the drill? Always be ready to leave immediately, all right? I mean it. No debating, no excuses, just go. If you refuse, they've got a reason to call the cops and suddenly you're facing trespassing charges, all right? And that's not a road you want to head down, all right? So if you get caught in there, for whatever reason, you get caught concealed carry and they ask you to leave, just leave. But let's kind of get real here. Are these signs actively enforced? Most places don't have a security detail combing for weapons, all right? So some folks thinking they can outsmart the system, figure these signs, kind of ignore these signs. It's a legal gamble, and if you're caught, it's all on you. But make no mistake, there's a personal risk involved. And a lot of people in some states, they say these signs can be enforced, and in some states, people say they're just a suggestion. So you figure out what you want to do. I'm not going to tell you should go inside when there's not a go-free sign.
You know he can't talk English.
I'm not going to tell you should go inside if there's a gun-free sign, but okay. All right, so besides all that, here's the deal, all right? You got to know your state's laws, inside and out. Places like Texas have specific signage requirements that you should be keenly aware of, all right? Consider off-body carry options like locks in your backpack or fanny pack, which can help reduce any detection risk. All right, smart choices can help you kind of stay within the bounds of the law and keep everyone safe.